Friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, today I'm going to dictate questions and answers from chapter 2 for the 10th class English, The Thief's Story from the book Footprints Without Feet. Let's begin with the questions. Question 1. Who does I refer to in this story? Its answer. In the story, I refers to the narrator of the story, Hari Singh, who was a 15-year-old experienced thief. Question 2. What is he a fairly successful hand at? Dear guys, its answer. He had a fairly successful hand at stealing and robbing people. By this he meant that he was an experienced thief who was very swift and clean in his work while robbing people without getting caught. Question 3. What does he get from Anil in return for his work? Dear guys, its answer. When Hari approached Anil to work, Anil told him clearly that he could not pay him for it. So he asked Hari to cook so he can feed him and he stay with him. But when he found that the young boy did not know how to cook, he taught him to cook and how to write his name. Anil also promised to teach him write whole sentences and calculate numbers. Besides, Anil also gave money to Hari to buy the daily supplies, and the latter would make a rupee profit a day from it. Read and find out. Question 1. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? Dear guys, its answer. Hari the thief thought that on discovering his theft, Anil would be filled with sadness not because of the loss of money, but for losing the trust he had in him. Question 2. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Its answer. In his short career as a thief, Hari's experience had made him aware of the different reactions of the people when they were robbed. According to him, a greedy man showed fear, the rich man exhibited anger, and the poor man showed acceptance. Question 3. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Its answer. Yes. Anil realized that he had been robbed by Hari. Probably he came to know of it from the damp notes which got wet due to the rain in the previous night. However, he didn't express anything and gave a 50 rupee note to Hari and promised to pay him regularly. Now think about it. Question 1. What are Hari Singh's reaction to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Hint, compare for example the thought. I knew that at once I could write like an educated man. There would be no limit to what I could achieve. With these latter thoughts, whole sentence I knew could one day bring me more luck more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really a big man, a clever and respected man, was something else. What makes him return to Anil? Dear guys, its answer. Hari was grateful to Anil who taught him how to write his name. Hari was excited to learn that Anil would teach him to write whole sentence too. He understood that being an educated man will add to his abilities and help him to achieve a social status in life. But when he stole money and left Anil's house, he realized that stealing was an utter crime to indulge himself and he might soon get caught. But being educated was a more fulfilling experience. He comprehended the respect, reputation, and possibilities that he would be able to achieve it if he becomes educated. Hence, he was feeling guilty and for cheating a noble man who gave him food and shelter. Besides, his urge to receive education also compelled him to return the Anil's house. Question 2. Why does Anil not hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from the other employers? Its answer. Unlike others, Anil did not call the police and hand over Hari on theft charges. He was well aware of the theft from the damp notes, but he did not thrash him or even mention it in front of Hari. He was happy that Hari had realized his mistake and understood the importance of education in life. In today's world, it is difficult to find people like Anil. Most people would not react in the same manner as he did. He was very patient and considerate towards Hari as he wanted him to become an educated man and lead his life respectfully. Anil was different from the other such employees because he was very understanding and compassionate by nature. When Hari returned the money, it gave him the hope that Hari wanted to amend the ways and grow up to become a noble and literate man. Now talk about it. Question 1. Do you think people like Anil and Hari Singh are found only in fiction or are there such people in real life? Dear guys, its answer. In the real world, people like Anil and Hari Singh rarely exist and are almost found in fiction stories only. Although there may be an exemption, sometimes when we may come across the people like Anil from this story, we know that Anil was a kind-hearted and considerate person who was deeply concerned about the Hari's education and future. When Hari stole Anil's money, his conscience pricked him and he had a change of mind and realized that the importance of education for his future. Hence, finding such kind of imaginary characters is rare possibility in the today's world. Question 2. Do you think it's a significant detail in the story that Anil is a struggling writer? Does this explain his behavior in any way? Dear guys, its answer. Yes, it is obvious that a significant detail in the story shows Anil was a struggling writer. His lifestyle was simple with irregular income and he always spent money as per his capabilities. He made money by fits and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate with friends. Hari observed that Anil was unable to pay him a salary because he did not have a regular source of income. However, Hari felt that although Anil earned less, he never ill treated him and was quite considerate towards him. Question 2. Have you met anyone like Hari Singh? Can you think and imagine the circumstances that can turn a 15-year-old into a thief? Dear guys, it's answer no. I haven't met anyone like Hari Singh, but such kind of people do exist in the world. Many a time a 15-year-old boy may be forced under unavoidable circumstances to become a robber. Mostly people commit crime to feed themselves or their families, or sometimes to satisfy their urge or addiction, to maintain health, or to fulfill their demands, to lead a luxurious life, and so on and so forth. Question 4. Where is the story set? You can get clues from the names of persons, places mentioned in it. Which language or languages are spoken in these places? Do you think the character in the story spoke to each other in English? Dear guys, its answer. The story is set near Lucknow, somewhere in Uttar Pradesh. We understand this from the story when it mentions of a railway station for express train to Lucknow. The presence of sweet shops, mandis and bazaars also indicate it to be a small and decent town. We can assume that characters in the story were not speaking to each other in English, but probably in Hindi language. Dear guys, it was all for today. Hope you must have liked this video. If you have liked it, please do press the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon in order to get such interesting videos at the soonest in future. Thanks for watching. Bye.